Hi everyone. Today let's discuss how we come in our own way when we are consciously manifesting our desires. The basic truth that we all need to always remember is that we are always manifesting no matter what. And when we consciously create our desires, there are two things that we deal with: impatience and our urge to implement every technique in pursuit of getting our manifestation. We feel the need to have a perfect affirmation, a perfect imaginal scene so that we can have our manifestation fast. This impatience and perfectionism often stems from a fear of failure and our lack of belief in our own selves to create our reality. Before we proceed, if you like the content, hit the like button and share your views in the comment box below. Now, let's continue. What can you do about it? As a beginner, your responsibility should be that you remind yourself every day that your imagination is the cause of your physical reality. As you change your inner world, that is what your experience will be in the physical reality. Because this physical world is the world of shadows. And your job as a conscious manifester is to put your attention in your imagination. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.